Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Maxwell.
And I'm Dr. Eric DeRoche.
Before you start using Prehab.tv, we wanted to give you some background information. Prehab TV was designed to promote more effective and efficient patient education for injury rehabilitation and injury prevention. Within the site, you're going to find a comprehensive collection of exercises aimed at improving mobility, stability, and creating a foundation for functional movement. In other words, this site's going to make you move better.
This site is not designed to take the place of a one-on-one healthcare consultation. In fact, at this point, if you are dealing with an injury and/or pain, it is important that you consult a healthcare professional who specializes in neuromusculoskeletal conditions.
If you're not experiencing pain and you're not injured, an injury prevention assessment or a functional movement screen is important for determining your potential for future injury. This is analogous to seeing a dentist for a semi-annual checkup or your medical doctor for an annual physical. Our ability to move and move functionally governs our ability to enjoy life without pain.
It also governs our athletic potential as well as sport performance. Unfortunately, due to current cultural norms, physical activity is at a minimum. As a result, our physical activity is lacking consistency, variety, and intensity, all leading to a progressive degradation of movement quality. For most, the first sign of movement dysfunction is pain, and pain occurs after months or years of movement dysfunction.
The need for movement-based injury prevention and rehabilitation is clear. The foundation of our ability to walk, carry our groceries, go upstairs, play with our children, our grandchildren, or run a 10K is functional movement. And the foundation for functional movement is an optimal balance of mobility and stability. Within Prehab TV, you will find a comprehensive collection of exercises aimed at improving mobility, stability, and functional movement. This is not only important, but essential for injury prevention, rehabilitation, optimum health, and performance.
The exercises on Prehab TV are organized in 3 different categories: mobility, stability, and functional patterns. Let us describe what those are. Mobility exercises are utilized to maintain or improve range of motion in one joint or a series of joints. Examples of which include a straight leg raise or a side-lying rotation with a reach.
Mobility allows us to move without restriction. A loss of mobility will force movement in neighboring joints, leading to a loss of stability. As a result, mobility is a prerequisite for stability. The presence of stability allows us to maintain control in the presence of change. It allows us to walk, squat, run and lift both safely and effectively. Without stability, our muscles will become overactive and tight, and our joints will be exposed to excessive wear and tear. A loss of stability will inevitably lead to weakness, dysfunction, and pain. Stability exercises are movements that promote control and strength. Examples of stability exercises include the dead bug and the bird dog.
Functional patterns are exercises that aim to train functional movements. Examples include something as simple as bending and lifting an object from the floor, or perhaps squatting, pushing, or pulling. Other examples include walking, running, or jumping. We all have the innate and developmental gift of performing all of these movements with ease. Unfortunately, our lifestyles can have a dramatic influence on our ability to perform functional movement, and before we know it, a simple movement such as a squat becomes a serious challenge. In general, when we train functional patterns, our goal is to transfer the fundamentals of mobility and stability into natural whole-body movements necessary for optimum health and performance.
To summarize, mobility gives us the freedom of movement, and stability gives us the control necessary for strength. Together, mobility and stability gives us the foundation for functional patterns, and functional patterns train functional movement. Functional movement is not only important, but it is essential for us to efficiently and effectively move throughout life. It's essential for preventing injuries, maintaining a healthy body, and for optimal sport performance.
Welcome to Prehab TV.